Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a company that's been making some serious waves, Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. Is this often overlooked fertilizer giant now a debt-free powerhouse? And more importantly, is it deeply undervalued at current levels? Stick around, because as an analyst with over a decade of experience, I'm breaking down their financials, con-call insights, and what this could mean for your portfolio. The fertilizer sector can be tricky, but Chambal Fertilizers has pulled off a remarkable transformation. For years, debt was a shadow. But guess what? They are now almost debt-free. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a game changer. Lower debt means lower interest costs, more money flowing to the bottom line, and a fundamentally stronger company. But is the market recognizing this? Let's find out. Let's look at the past 4 quarters, from quarter 3 fiscal year 2025 right up to quarter 2 fiscal year 2026. Revenue growth. We've seen some impressive revenue figures, particularly in Q1 and Q2 FY26. This isn't just seasonal, it reflects strong demand and better pricing. Profit explosion. Look at their net profit, PAT. From a low of around 99 crores in Q4 FY25, it surged to over 600 crores in Q2 FY26. This isn't just good, it's excellent for a sector often battling margin pressures. EPS on fire? Naturally, with profits surging, so has their earnings per share, now sitting around 46 rupees and 50 paise on a TTM basis. This tells us the company is generating substantial profit for every share outstanding. Margins. Their operating profit margins have also improved significantly, a testament to their operational efficiency. Return ratios. And for those who love strong fundamentals, their return on equity at 21% and return on capital employed at nearly 29% are phenomenal. But financial statements only tell part of the story. The management's commentary in their con-call transcripts gives us crucial insights. P&K segment is key. They've consistently highlighted the strong performance of their phosphatic and potassic P&K fertilizer segment. This segment offers higher margins and is less exposed to some of the policy risks of urea. Their strategic sourcing of raw materials here is paying off. Subsidy stability. A big relief for any fertilizer company is timely subsidy receipts. Chambal's management has confirmed that government subsidies are coming in on time, ensuring healthy cash flow and working capital management. This is a critical de-risking factor for the sector. Deleveraging done, and of course the consistent talk about their aggressive debt reduction strategy, which has culminated in their near debt-free status. This was a deliberate long-term focus and it's now bearing fruit. Over the last 12 months, Chambal hasn't just been quiet. They've made some announcements that directly impact shareholder value. Consistent dividends, multiple interim dividends, totaling 15 rupees per share in the last year. This signals strong cash generation and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Share buyback. An announced share buyback is another positive, suggesting management believes the stock is undervalued and aims to boost EPS. The debt-free milestone. While not a single announcement, the continuous emphasis on reducing debt, culminating in this near debt-free status, is the most impactful long-term positive. Alright, the moment of truth. With all this positive news, what's the stock actually worth? Current metrics. At a CMP of around 433 rupees, Chambal Fertilizers is trading at a TTM PE ratio of just about 9.3 times. Compare that to the industry median, which can be anywhere from 11 times to 23 times. This immediately screams potential value. P/B and dividend yield. The P/B is also favorable and that dividend yield of over 2% is quite attractive. But let's not just rely on simple multiples. I've run a sensitivity analysis based on different long-term earnings growth scenarios. Pessimistic scenario, 0% growth. Even if Chambal sees no future growth, its intrinsic value is around 372 rupees. The current price suggests the market is already pricing in a tiny bit of growth. Our base case, 5% growth. This is a realistic, sustainable growth rate given their debt reduction and P&K focus. At 5% growth, the intrinsic value shoots up to 540 rupees per share. That's a whopping 24% upside from today's price, aligning with the lower end of many analyst targets. This suggests the stock is currently undervalued. Optimistic scenario, 10% growth. If management successfully doubles their specialty product business and captures more market share, a 10% growth rate is achievable. In this case, the intrinsic value could be as high as 720 rupees per share. That's a massive 66% upside. Now, no investment comes without risks. The fertilizer sector is still susceptible to government policy. Changes in subsidy policies are always a potential headwind. Raw material prices. Volatility in gas prices, a key input, can impact margins. Monsoon. Agricultural demand is linked to monsoon performance. However, considering their debt-free status, robust profitability, consistent dividends, and a valuation that significantly discounts future growth, my analysis suggests Chambal Fertilizers presents a favorable risk-reward profile at current levels. The market appears to be underestimating the impact of their deleveraging and operational improvements. So what are your thoughts on Chambal Fertilizers? Are you invested or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth stock analysis, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Remember, this is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence.
That's all for today's market update. If you gained valuable insights, please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.